Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making a chocolate cake and it's eggless. It's a very simple chocolate cake recipe and everyone in my home liked this cake very much. So I thought I shared this recipe to all of you so you can try this recipe at home. So friends, watch this video till end, and if you like this recipe, please hit the like button and leave your valuable comments in comments box. So let's get started. Before preparing the cake, first we will make our baking tray ready. So we will grease it with some butter or oil and we will place a parchment paper in it. So our baking tray is ready now. We will keep it aside and next we will prepare the cake mixture. So first we will take all dry ingredients in this bowl. So we will use 1.5 cup all-purpose flour for this chocolate cake, 1 cup, and is another half cup, and 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, and next we will add 1 teaspoon baking powder and half teaspoon baking soda in it. Just sift everything so there will be no lumps in it. And next we will add all wet ingredients with all these dry ingredients. So next we will add 1/3 cup of butter. I am using unsalted sweet cream butter. You can use normal butter or oil also. And sugar, I am using 1 cup of sugar. So mix everything. In this cake we will not use any egg, so we will mix this all dry ingredients with some warm water. You can use room temperature water as well, but little warm water is good for mixing. So we'll use almost 1 cup of water, warm water. So add little water and make the cake mixture. You can use an electric blender, but hand mixture, whisk is okay. Next we will add in this chocolate cake coffee powder. We will add 1 spoon of coffee powder in it and 1 tablespoon lime juice. So coffee powder and lime juice. So mix everything, and this, I think this batter is little thick, so I add little warm water in it. So now our batter is almost ready, and next we will pour it in this baking tray and put it in a preheated oven at 350 degree Fahrenheit or 180 degree centigrade, and we will bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. So just tap it little so there will be no air bubble, and now we will place it in the oven. So after 10 minutes it looks like this. So it's not done yet, so it needs another 10 more minutes to bake completely. So and now it's done. We will keep it aside and let it be cool. By that time we will prepare our chocolate frosting. For that we will use heavy whipping cream. We will use 1 cup of whipping cream in a saucepan, and we will add some chocolate chips. Today I am using 60% cocoa bittersweet chocolate chips. We will use 1/3 cup of chocolate chips. Mix it. We will warm this whipped cream little, and by the time the chocolate will be melted. And now we will turn off the gas and mix it. Mix everything nicely, and chocolate chips and whipped cream, and next we will add 2 spoon butter in it and mix this butter. And next we will pour this mixture in a bowl and keep it in room temperature for at least an hour. So no need to put in the refrigerator, just put in room temperature, keep it in room temperature for about an hour, so it will be little thicker. So now by the time our cake become cool, and we will take it out from this baking tray. It's perfectly baked. It looks very nice. Just take this parchment paper off. Yes. And now we will cover this chocolate cake with this liquid chocolate. It's little thick now, so just spread it and cover it like this. So spread all over it, and after that we will keep this cake in refrigerator for half an hour or about an hour. Then we will cut this. Spread this liquid chocolate all over the cake nicely, and next I will add some chocolate chips on top of this to make it more tasty, and I will keep it in refrigerator for almost 30 minutes. So after about an hour I'll take it out from the refrigerator, and now it's all set and I'll cut it now. So here is our homemade eggless chocolate cake, and it was a very simple recipe, and now I'm showing you how soft and moist it is. So friends, I hope you like this recipe. Please try this at home, and do likes in my video, comments in my video, and you can share my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.